Hola pasajeros, we are going to teach you how to book online for Super Ferry. For full details, please visit our info sharing website at www.togopromo.com. Before you book, you must have the following details: origin, destination, travel date, passenger name, gender, age, home address, contact numbers, email address, and the ATM or credit card details that you're going to use to book for your promo tickets. Now that you are ready, mag-book na po tayo. You need to go to the booking website of ToGo. Check our post for the website's link. So once you see this screen, you can input your booking details. So let's have an example. Let's try Cebu City to Manila, and then click for the departure date, let's say June 29, and then number of packs. So how many persons? So kung ikaw lang, just leave that one here. May kasama na po yung meals sa booking, sa book ticket nyo. These are the optional add-ons, yung insurance tsaka linen. If you don't want this, just skip this by clicking on no. So click natin book now. This reminder will show regarding payment method. Read more about this on our blog post. Just click on OK and wait for the page to load. So, you can now see the booking details. Check for accuracy. If tama na po lahat nandito, dito na po tayo sa select accommodation. So these are the types of accommodation available for this cruising date. So the cheapest is Mega Value Class at 857.51. Pero tanong nyo po, bakit po yung total amount naging 1.3 plus na? This is because may additional charges pa po. I-click po nyo po yung fare breakdown to see the additional charges. So yan, may security fee and web admin fee. So kung hindi nyo po kinlik na no yung insurance tsaka linen, may additional fee po dito. So dahil wala, zero lang po ito. So close nyo lang po and then click on continue. Again, check for the accuracy of details. This is now the time that you're going to input the passenger details. So let's say Maria Juana. Middle initial A, gender F, let's say ang age is 23, OSCA ID is only for senior citizen. So click nyo lang po again yung continue. Click again for accuracy of the trip details. Pag okay po lahat, fill up nyo na lang po ito. So let's say Maria Juana A, tapos street, let's say 123, let's say Makati, and then Philippines, hanapin nyo po yung Philippines. Zip code, let's say 1234. Mobile number, input nyo din po yung mobile number nyo. Tsaka kung may landline kayo, lagay nyo din po. Email address, put your personal email address here. So yan. Okay. Example lang po natin yan ha. So hanap lang po kayo dito saan nyo nabasa. Kasi dito nyo po nabasa sa amin. Click nyo lang po yung other website. And then others. And then click on I agree to go sa terms and condition. Pagkatapos, click on confirm. So now, choose payment method. So it's either gonna be credit card or ATM account. As you can see, yung credit card pwedeng MasterCard, Visa, and JCB cards only. So ATM naman, Megalink at Banknet pwede. So click nyo lang po yung continue. Tapos, pag nandito na po kayo, nasa payment portion na po kayo. So, amount to be charged, and then the reservation number. Importante po itong reservation number. Tapos, click nyo lang din po ulit yung continue. Lalabas na po dito yung details ng credit card nyo. Input your credit card details if you have chosen credit card. Hindi na po kami makaka-proceed kasi po, trial booking lang naman to. Pero you can do proceed here para kung gusto nyo makapag-book talaga. Alright, again, for more info, please visit our website, www.togopromo.com. Watch out po for more promo details tsaka mga tutorials na dyan. Salamat!